Hey there, entrepreneurs. Quick heads up, if you're looking to make your business life a whole lot easier, don't forget to click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount on Airwallex Xero. You won't want to miss out. Now let's talk about something that used to make me want to stick my head in a spreadsheet: managing business finances. Between tracking expenses, converting currencies, and trying to figure out where all my money's gone, it can feel like I'm running a marathon with my shoelaces tied together. But then I found the dream team, Airwallex Xero. And honestly, it was like someone finally handed me a map for the business finance jungle. So what's the big deal? Well, Airwallex is basically your business's financial sidekick. It helps you make international payments without those eye-watering bank fees and sorts out multi-currency accounts faster than you can say exchange rate. And Xero, that's your accounting wizard. It keeps your invoices, expenses, and cash flow in one tidy, easy-to-use dashboard. The real magic happens when you connect them. Imagine this: you pay your overseas suppliers via Airwallex, and boom, the transaction shows up instantly in Xero, properly categorized and ready for your accountant to marvel at. No more copy-pasting, no more late-night panic attacks staring at mystery transactions. It's all automated. That means more time for actually running your business, or, sneaking in a cheeky tea break. What I love most is the control. I can approve payments on the go, get real-time updates, and see where every penny is going. Plus, tax time? Way less stressful. Even my accountant sends me thank you emails now. So whether you're a solo founder or running a team, this combo has your back. Go on, click the link below for your special offer and take your business finance game up a notch. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.